Hey, Dr. Eric here. If you caught my previous video, you know that jump rope right here is my cold weather fix for cardio. Now, I love to walk, but some days it's just way too chilly for me. And so that's when I break out the jump rope. Now, if you're like me and haven't jumped rope in, say, 4 decades or so, you're going to find out it is a whole lot harder than you remembered. So start slow. I recommend starting out no more than 5 minutes or jump rope at a time. You may just be able to do a minute or two. That's okay. Number 2, just jump as high as you need to get the rope through your feet. 3, I recommend a weighted rope. I would start out with a half pound tops. And number 4, if you're really struggling, do interval training. And what I like to do is 40 seconds of jumping rope with 15-second breaks in between, and that will get you much further down the road than if you just do it all at once. Now, if you really want to get fancy, you can do that intervals with body weight exercises interspersed between your jump rope. So don't be afraid of the jump rope. Go get you one. It's chilly outside, and you'll be glad you did. If you like health tips like this, check out my other videos. It's been Dr. Eric. I'll talk to you later.